Imagine the horror if surgeons had the same attitude as engineers. Like, well, I put you back together, but I wasn't sure where this last part goes. Now, thankfully, surgeons are not engineers, and for engineers who do often find themselves with fewer or more parts after finishing a job, the FCT D-Sub Connectors present an excellent solution. While screwed versions of the FCT D-Sub Connectors do exist, the main product line is screwless, which eliminates the risk of lost screws while also simplifying installation. At the same time, the 360 degrees of EMI shielding makes these connectors ideal in mission-critical applications, and the wide operating temperature range of minus 35 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius allows for use in many applications, including aerospace, industrial, and medical. Finally, the supported cable sizes from 3mm to 9.5mm in diameter provides numerous cable options, including armored and jacketed.